Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Entropia Universe. My name is Crue Knight, and today I'm going to show you the storyline missions for Hunt the Thing, based on the movie The Thing. Never watched it myself, but so I won't be able to give you any references or anything like that, but right here you talk to, this is going to be a little walkthrough, as well as I'm going to tell you a little bit about what Entropia Universe is. And you can decide to be, when you talk to this person, you could be a soldier or a, let's see here, a soldier or scientist. I chose to be the soldier. Yeah, I don't know how it is to be the scientist. I know that I guess you're supposed to get a pistol or something like that as a scientist, but as a soldier you can get like a shotgun or... Unfortunately, there's a few bugs in this game, so hopefully this video would help you get around those bugs. And there's a few missions that you don't have to do as well. And yeah, so Entropia Universe, it's a game where it has a real money economy. You can put in real money into the game. You can pay however much as you want. It's a free MMO, but you don't get anything for free. So you put money into it, you can withdraw money if you happen to make a profit. And the Hunt the Thing missions is just a little thing they decided to create around the theme of the movie, so it's different from most of the game. Yeah, it's a pretty fun little storyline. And I'm just going to show you some clips. This is all pre-recorded, by the way, and just kind of take you through it quickly. It took me about a couple hours to complete, but I'll show you all that in about all this in 30 minutes. Wrap it up. There's a trade terminal here. You don't need to buy anything here. You're not able to use any of your items from other planets or from outside the Arctic. So you can buy stuff here, but everything is actually provided for you. Weapons, your med kits. So I wouldn't recommend you to buy anything right now for the time being. And you want to talk to that one guy right there to get your clothes. I actually didn't do that in the beginning. After I completed the game is when I actually talked to him and found out that that's the area where you actually get your clothes. And this is the area where you get your weapons. Now, if you haven't done this already, what you need to know is to get the shotgun. If you don't want to buy the shotgun later on, then get the shotgun here because it is way more effective than the other weapons. I didn't know this, so I got the rifle instead. But the shotgun could kill wolves in like 2 shots. With the assault rifle, it's a lot harder. You're gonna waste tons of ammo with the rifle. Unless you're high skilled in that weapon, which I don't know if it really affects it that much in this mission line. And this area right here, he's gonna tell you to shoot 3 rounds into the range. I've done this, I've shot it everywhere, and it didn't work. It couldn't complete, so I skipped it. You are able to skip it. Just talk to him again and skip that area. It's a little buggy, but you talk to this guy for some more ammo for your weapon, and that should be good to get whatever you need to do in these missions. They might want to bring like 2 or 3 peds somewhere around there just in case you need more ammo and stuff like that, but besides that, you don't really need anything. Right here is the some more trade terminals, I guess, in repair areas, as well as a public auction. It's in that other room. And you want to talk to this guy right here to get your clothes. I unfortunately didn't do that, but I'll cut and paste that footage of me actually killing the wolves and getting the clothes. I kind of did the missions at different times, but I'll put the video together in chronological order so you can skip to the part where you want. As far as the rewards you get yes, they are going to be spoilers in this video, just to let you know. You get let's see, a med kit and a shotgun or the rifle like me. Get some ammo for it. You get a truck and you get a flamethrower as well as a combat helicopter, which is like the other helicopters that you'll see, but the thing to note about these vehicles that you get from the Arctic is that they're very weak as far as their TT value goes, so don't expect it to be like the other choppers or like a special kind of truck or anything like that, because they're pretty weak. And I actually got my truck destroyed already. And this little computer thing that I'm doing right here is meant for noobs who are starting the game and they want to figure out how things go, like the map, inventory, stuff like that. Now if you're coming from Calypso or something and you want to come over and do these missions, and you're gonna have to find someone to fly you over. Some people charge from 6 ped to maybe 20 ped, and some people take you for free, like a society member or something like that, who are on the way to Rocktropia and just have an open passenger seat for you to tag along. And so besides that money, you basically don't need any ped once you get over here. Probably 2 or 3 that'll do. And this is the mechanic who's going to give you your truck. So you go past him, and then you're going to have to go outside and hunt some wolves. Now, if you listen to what I said earlier, you should have that quest where you're supposed to hunt 30 wolves for the clothes. And then for the mechanic, you're going to have to restore power to that satellite. So I actually didn't get that mission, like I said. I didn't get that mission where you get the clothes until later on, so I kind of avoided the wolves for now. And that's the satellite dish up ahead.
Warning. Extreme climate detected.
There's a few turrets nearby the satellite, so in case the wolves are in your way, and, you're pretty safe there. But if you have the shotgun, which I had to actually pay for it at the trade terminal, you should be able to kill those wolves no problem. So it's pretty simple, not difficult at all. He's exploring a little bit. Like I said, it's a little buggy, so sometimes you're gonna have to do it twice or walk around before it actually says mission accomplished. Now they're gonna tell you to kill 3 wolves, so in actuality you should kill 33 wolves if you have that first mission. And I'll skip to that part. This is my 30th wolf. Now I had the shotgun this time, and it's, as you can see, I just killed that wolf in one shot. They all have different hit points, by the way. And so you want to go back to the armory, to the grunt, and you get your clothes there. Like I said, everything you get here is really weak. You take this one off and on about 4 times and the whole thing's destroyed. And I don't think it has any armor value or anything like that. It's just cosmetics. It's pretty cool though. It's better than wearing noob gear, which I'm used to wearing all the time. And then you go back to the mechanic, which you could have done the first time, and then drive back to the grunt, but as you can see, I don't have my clothes with me because
Objective. Drive to main gates.
now this is where you get your truck and you spawn it. Comes with 10 oil as well, which is enough to basically get you through the whole thing. So you hold down the right mouse button to rotate it to however you like, then left click. You get the oil that you're providing, just drag it onto the truck, and you're good. Let's get in. It's pretty nice inside. So yeah, like I said, I got my truck destroyed. It's very weak. I think the TT value for these are less than 1 head, so a few crashes, or if you accidentally run into a group of mobs, which I did, then there goes your truck.
Objective. Reach checkpoint 1.
But pretty sucky at driving, so I'm gonna skip this part, and in fact I'll make a part 2 video to finish this off, and I'll basically wrap up the whole mission line in about 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, 2 videos. And, very slippery. So yeah, I want to show you this part, just in case you missed it. You turn right before the satellite, right here. It's a little tight area.
Reach checkpoint 3.
And you continue, and I'll see you on my second video, part 2.